Good morning. Is the board visible to you?
Yes, sir.
My voice is audible to you?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Now the fresh lesson will be started. The first lesson from supplementary reader was finished and the lesson's name was A Triumph of Surgery. Have you any question from this lesson?
No, sir.
No. The second lesson is the thief's story. Yesterday there was poor network, so we were disturbed. Now it is right. The thief's story. Do you have the book with you?
Yes, sir.
Who is the writer of the thief's story? Ruskin Bond. Ruskin Bond is a renowned Anglo-Indian short story writer and novelist. Can you see? Are the words visible to you?
Yes, sir.
What do you mean by Anglo-Indian writer? Indian writer of British origin. Okay. Indian writer of British origin. Suppose that Kalpana Chawla, her origin was from India, but she settled in America, so she will be called as Indo-American. तो जिस ओरिजिन से बिलोंग करते हैं वो नेम पहले रहता है। रस्किन बॉन्ड के एंसेस्टर्स इंग्लैंड से थे, इसलिए एंग्लो आया पहले। इज द वर्स क्लियर टू यू?
Yes, sir.
Very good. His grandfather was a soldier in British Army. When we were ruled over by the Britishers, his grandfather was a soldier. He was a sergeant in army. And after the retirement, his grandfather settled in India. That's why Ruskin Bond is called Anglo-Indian writer. He was born on 19th May 1934 at Kasoni in Himachal Pradesh. You know that when he was only 8 years old, his mother took divorce from his father and married to someone else. That's why the 8-year-old boy remained very aloof That's why he was sent to a boarding school. He was very close to his grandfather. That's why you will see in other stories also about his grandfather. Suppose that in class 9 you have studied one lesson, The Adventures of Toto. Haven't you?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Adventures of Toto. In every class I think you have learned the lesson written by Ruskin Bond. In class 8, what was the lesson?
It was a lesson about the tiger. The tiger.
No, class 8. I think it was a diary, about some diary, monsoon diary, yes, in class 8. In every class we study about his story. In class 8 I think this was the monsoon diary. Yes, a short monsoon diary. And in class 7, A Tiger in the House. Very prominent writer. He writes especially about children. That's why children like him and his story very much. Okay. You know, is Ruskin Bond still alive or dead?
He's dead.
No. Who is saying? Who said? Agnika. He is still alive. And at present time, he has been living in Missouri. Okay. He is still alive. Okay, this was the introduction about the author. We must know because he is a prominent writer. In every class we have learned about him. And now some introduction about the lesson. In the present lesson, he shows Ruskin Bond shows how a thief's heart is changed when sympathy is shown to him by the writer. Anil. Writer's name was Anil. When sympathy is given, when sympathy is shown to this thief, his heart is changed. It means sympathy is greater than gold. In this story, we find two characters. One character is Hari Singh. This was not his real name. Every month he used to change his name. A 15-year-old experienced thief. experienced thief. He was only 15 years old. Yes, Shubham Sinha, yes. Down your hand. Shubham Sinha, down your hand. Round number 50, down your hand, Shubham Sinha. He was only 15 years old, but very experienced. You know that अगर हम ये, are you able to hear me?
Yes, sir.
Very good. अगर हम ये हैफन हटा दें तो यहाँ पर एस लग जाएगा, और अगर हम हैफन लगा दें तो ये एस डिलीट हो जाएगा. 15 year old is now a combined word, a unit of 3 words, a unit of 3 words. Shubham Sinha, down your hands. And another character is Anil. A 25-year-old easygoing, happy-go-lucky, but struggling writer. एक कैरेक्टर के बारे में we come to know that he was only 15 years old but he was very experienced. And second character is Anil, 25 years old, easy going, मस्त आदमी था, very careless, carefree, without any tension, happy go lucky. अगर कुछ पैसे आ गए तो बहुत अच्छी बात है, नहीं भी आए तो कोई अच्छी बात नहीं. कुछ स्टूडेंट ऐसे भी होते हैं अगर मार्क्स बहुत अच्छे आ गए, कुछ स्टूडेंट, आई एम नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट ऑल स्टूडेंट्स, अच्छे मार्क्स आ गए सो मच सो गुड, अच्छे मार्क्स नहीं आए देन इट इज आल्सो गुड. सो दिस टाइप ऑफ पर्सन इज कॉल्ड हैप्पी गो लकी. ओके, बट ही वाज ए स्ट्रगलिंग राइटर. राइटर डजंट अर्न मच, दैट्स व्हाई ही वाज ए स्ट्रगलिंग राइटर. Thief is noun or verb? Thief.
Can you repeat the question, sir?
Thief word is noun or verb? ये thief वर्ड जो है इसे ये नाउन है या वर्ब है?
It's now.
Noun. And if there is possibility of verb form of thief, thief का कोई yes what? Thief, very good, very good. Thief, noun, thief, verb. Are the words visible to you or not visible?
No, sir.
Now, now visible?
It's visible.
Now visible. Okay. Thief, it is verb. Now I start the lesson. Enough introduction is given to you about the writer Ruskin Bond and about the story also. 2 characters. Hari Singh, Anil. Hari Singh was not the real name. It was his false name. Every month he used to change his name. Why? Only to escape from the police, from his former employers. What was his strategy? His strategy was that at first he used to win any person's confidence. किसी के कॉन्फिडेंस को पहले वो विन करता था, वो जीतता था. Then he served there as a servant, and when the owner trusted him, then he robbed him, then he looted him. Loot is Hindi word, but it is accepted in English. This was his strategy. That's why every month he used to change his name, only to escape from the eyes of the police and from his former employers, so that no any person should know about his real name and the address. Now the lesson starts. Here the word I stands for the thief. Thief had become a writer. Okay. And when he became a writer, he started writing the story by using the word I. I was still a thief when I met Anil. Very simple line. You know, Ruskin Bond especially writes for children. So lines are very easy and digestible. Anil, and though only 15, I was an experienced and fairly successful hand. And fairly means very successful hand at theft. Whenever he planned the theft, he was not caught. He was successful. He was a very successful hand at theft. So he was a skilled thief. Second, Anil was watching a wrestling match. When Hari Singh met him, he was watching a wrestling match. Some wrestlers were fighting. Okay. Oil was rubbed into their body and they were wrestling. Anil was very fond of wrestling match. That's why he was in leisure time and he was watching wrestling match. When I approached him, when Hari Singh approached him, he was about 25. Who was 25 years old? Anil was 25 years old. Only 11 participants are here. A tall, lean fellow. Lean means thin fellow. एक तो लंबा था, उसमें दुबला पतला और भी लंबा दिखता था. So from any point can you say him a wrestler? क्या आप उसे पहलवान कह सकते हैं किसी पॉइंट से? टॉल भी था, थिन फेलो था, लीन एंड थिन फेलो था. क्या वो पहलवान लग रहा था दिखने में? No, but he was very fond of watching the wrestling match. And he looked easy going, very carefree, very careless, kind. He was very kind-hearted and simple enough for my purpose. Hari Singh was thinking that was very simple-hearted person, very kind-hearted person, suitable for my purpose. What was the purpose of the thief? That at first he had to win the confidence of this person, then I would rob him, I would loot him. Very simple, suitable person. I hadn't had, this is past perfect tense, I hadn't got much luck of late. Of late means recently. बहुत दिनों से मुझे लक नहीं मिला था. Luck had not supported me and thought I might be able to get into the young man's confidence. I may come into his confidence, into the confidence of Anil. You look a bit of wrestler yourself, I say. Who said? Hari Singh said, a thief said, a little flattery helps in making friends. You know, one thing that flattery is a slow poison. If you want to befool any person, then you should adopt the strategy of flattery. If you flatter anyone, then you may make friendship with him and you may cheat him also. So if very slow poison. But this is not good thing. I am not teaching you that you should adopt the strategy of flattery. This is not good thing. But this was the planning. This was a part of his scheme. Whose part? Hari Singh. That I have to win this man's confidence, so I must do flattery. Flattery मुझे करना चाहिए. Buttering, very deadly weapon, खतरनाक हथियार है. और उसके पास से बहुत सारे हथियार थे. Though he was only 15 years old, he was an experienced person. He knew how to win other man's confidence. बहुत सारे हथियार थे. अब दूसरे हथियार भी आएंगे. पहला हथियार तो क्या था उसका? फैक्ट्री. तो उसने कहा आप एक रेसलर दिखते हो. अब कोई भी अनिल को देखकर नहीं कहेगा कि वो रेसलर दिखता है, लेकिन फ्लैटरी थी. और अनिल अंडरस्टूड दैट दिस वाज ओनली फ्लैटरी. और उसने पलट कर जवाब दिया, सो डू यू. सो यू आल्सो लुक लाइक ए रेसलर. आप भी रेसलर की तरह दिखते हैं. पलट कर उसने जवाब दिया, टू हूम? टू द थिंग. He replied, which put me off, which made me silent. Put off means made silent. मेरे को चुप कर दिया. For a moment, because at that time I was rather thin. I was actually thin. मैं भी दुबला पतला था. अच्छा, मेरे प्लानिंग को वो समझ गया, मेरे फ्लैटरी को वो समझ गया. लेकिन ये चोर था. थोड़ा सा उद्दंड होता ही है, थोड़ा सा ढीठ भी होता है, सेमलेस भी होता है. कोई गलत काम करने वाला व्यक्ति सेमलेस रहेगा ही. जो अच्छा काम करने वाला व्यक्ति है वो सेमफुल रहता है, कहीं उससे कोई गलती नहीं हो, दूसरे लोग हमारे बारे में क्या ओपिनियन फॉर्म करेंगे. वेल, आई सेड मॉडेस्टली, आई सेड हम्बली, आई डू रेसल ए बिट. मैं कभी कभी कुश्ती कर लिया करता हूँ, थोड़ा बहुत. तो सेमलेस होकर उसने जवाब दिया. व्हाट्स योर नेम? Hari Singh. I lied. Who lied? The thief lied. The thief lied, yes. I took a new name every month that kept me ahead of the police and my former employers, so that my former employers and the police could not catch me. After this introduction तो हो गया कि मेरा नाम हरि सिंह है. Anil talked about the well-oiled wrestlers. उसके बारे में बात करने लगा because he was very interested in wrestling match. Who were grunting? The wrestlers were growling. घुरा रहे थे एक दूसरे पर. Lifting and throwing each other about. What do you know about? Yes, very good. Here and there. इधर उधर फेंक रहे थे रेसलर एक दूसरे को. I didn't have much to say. और ये हरि सिंह को कुछ ज़्यादा कहने के लिए था ही नहीं. क्या कहता, वो तो ओल्ड फैमिलियर पर्सन था ही नहीं. He wanted to only develop friendship with him, with this stranger. So he had nothing much to say. तो जब बात करने के लिए कुछ नहीं था, अनिल walked away from there. चला. I followed casually. I followed carelessly. Actually, he was following Anil intently, but he was showing that very carelessly. By the way, I am following you. संजोग है कि मैं आपको फॉलो कर रहा हूँ. I have no any intention to follow you. Hello again, he said. इस बार उसने दूसरा वेपन फेंका, हथियार. पहला तो वेपन क्या था उसका? फ्लैटरी. अगर कोई आपका फ्लैटरी करे तो आप समझ जाओ there is something wrong here. Be alert, be very cautious. तो दूसरा उसने अपना वेपन फेंका, स्माइल. I gave him my most appealing smile, my most charming smile. I want to work for you. I said, but you know, Anil said, I can't pay you. Because you know that he was a struggling writer. Whenever his story was published, then he got the check. So all the time he was in loan, he was in debt, DEBT. वो हमेशा कर्ज में रहता था. तो हरीश सिंह को लगा रही आज तो गजब हो गया, मैं तो मिसजज कर लिया, मुझे लगा कि ये मालदार पार्टी है, रिच पर्सन ही में भी. I thought that over for a minute. अरे ये क्या हो गया, एक सेकंड के लिए मैंने सोचा. Perhaps I had misjudged my man. I asked, can you feed me? अब लगा कि इतना समय स्पेंड कर ही दिया इस पर, तो देखते हैं क्या होता है, इसके पीछे अपना समय बर्बाद करते हैं. So let us see what happens. Can you feed me? अच्छा. If you can't pay me, can you feed me? तो अनिल ने कहा, कैन यू कुक? अगर तुम खाना बना सकते हो तो हम तुमको फीड कर देंगे. एक्चुअली ही यूज्ड टू ईट इन ए होटल. ही वॉज ए बैचलर, ही वॉज लीडिंग अ बैचलर लाइफ. आई कैन कुक. आई लाइड अगेन. मैंने फिर से झूठ बोला. ही वॉज मास्टर इन लाइफ. 15 years old था, एक्सपीरियंस ठीक था, वो जानता था कि हाउ टू मैनेज द थिंग्स. If you can cook, then maybe I can feed you. तो मैं आपको खिला सकता हूँ. He took me to his room over the Jamna sweet shop and told me I could sleep on the balcony. एक ही रूम था बेचारे को. He was a studying writer. आप balcony में सो जाना. But the meal I cooked, जो मैंने भोजन बनाया, who cooked? हरी सिंह. जो मैंने भोजन बनाया, that night must have been terrible, must have been extremely bad. बहुत भयंकर होगा शायद. Because Anil gave it to a stray dog, to a street dog. गली के कुत्ते को दे दिया. इसका मतलब my food was terrible, extremely bad, and told me to be off. और अनिल ने कहा, यू प्लीज गो अवे फ्रॉम हियर. वो समझ गया. ही वॉज वेरी एक्सपीरियंस्ड पर्सन. अनिल वॉज. ही अंडरस्टूड दैट दिस पर्सन डजंट नो हाउ टू कुक. गो अवे फ्रॉम हियर. बट आई जस्ट हंग अराउंड स्माइलिंग इन माई मोस्ट अपीलिंग वे. ही वॉज यूजिंग हिज डेडली वेपन. अपने खतरनाक हथियार का यूज कर रहा था. ऑल द टाइम ही वॉज थ्रोइंग हिज चार्मिंग स्माइल. And you know, charming smile makes any stranger friends. दोस्त बना लेता है. And he could not help. He could not stop. He could not stop laughing. वो हंसे बिना नहीं रह सका वो. You know that Anil was a kind-hearted person. He felt that this person is an orphan. He has no any parents. That's why he is moving here and there, wandering here and there. So I must find work for him. Later he patted me on the head. फिर मेरे सर थपथपाए and said, never mind, it doesn't matter. कोई बात नहीं है. If you don't know how to cook, then I will teach you how to cook. Never mind, it doesn't matter. He would teach me to cook. He also taught me to write my name and said he would soon teach me to write whole sentences. अभी तो केवल तुमको मैं नाम लिखने सिखा रहा हूँ, फिर तुमको whole sentences लिखना सिखा देंगे. And to add numbers, और जोड़ घटाव भी तुमको सिखा देंगे. I was grateful. Really he was obliged to Anil. इस बार रियली वो बहुत एहसानमंद हो गया. बिकॉज अनिल वॉज गिविंग सिंपैथी टू दिस ऑर्फन बॉय. आई न्यू, मैं जानता था. हरी सिंह न्यू दैट वंस आई कुड राइट लाइक एन एडुकेटेड मैन. अगर मैं एडुकेटेड मैन की तरह लिखना सीख गया, देयर वुड बी नो लिमिट टू व्हाट आई कुड अचीव. आई कुड अचीव मोर एंड मोर मनी. सबको दूसरे का प्रोफेशन अच्छा लगता है। जो जिस प्रोफेशन में रहता है बोले मेरा प्रोफेशन ठीक नहीं है, ये हम टीचर है मेरा प्रोफेशन ठीक नहीं है, वो डॉक्टर है उसका प्रोफेशन अच्छा होगा। डॉक्टर बोलता नहीं मेरा प्रोफेशन ठीक नहीं है, बहुत काम है, कोविड-19 में कोई छुट्टी नहीं है, वो लेक्चर जो है प्रोफेसर वो ठीक है। प्रोफेसर सोचता कि नहीं मेरा काम ठीक नहीं है, हमेशा स्टूडेंट से झड़प होती है। तो सभी को लगता है कि माई प्रोफेशन इज नॉट गुड बट अदर्स प्रोफेशन इज गुड, एंड हरि सिंह आल्सो अंडरस्टूड दैट this person earns money more and more, so if he could write like an educated man then he could earn more and more money. That's all. And you have the homework, you have to write 3 questions of unit first that is given on the first page. Have you any to ask?
No, sir.
Okay, now I am leaving answer questions of unit 1.